Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. It's 3:20. It's 3:16, but I keep it as round figure as 3:20. So let's unbox a parcel which I had placed an order like 15 days back. Due to this lockdown, I received that parcel too late, not just late. So let's not waste the time. Let's go and unbox. This is my second LS2 helmet. My old helmet is there. So last night I received this parcel. So there was a box and all. I opened it. Then my pet took that box and teared it completely. That box is not available right now. So I have the inside stuff. I've got some complimentaries and all. So this is backpack. Very important when you're going for a ride. And this is head cap. LS2 is a good brand. I prefer LS2 because my previous helmet was also LS2. Many people told that go for MT. So MT was a bit costly compared to this one. Not more costly, somewhere 300 to 400 rupees. Green is a bit fluorescent in this. So just look at this. The color is really beautiful. The weight is really very less compared to my old helmet, and the shell quality I really don't know, and inside stuff, that sponge and all, I don't know. So I have to compare with this with my old helmet. So give me my old helmet. So this is LS2 old helmet which I purchased in the year of 2015, and it's almost 5 years. I have 2 lakh kilometers I have worn this and I have driven. So the helmet quality is really good compared to this one. This is really very heavy, and recently I gave it for a dry cleaning. This all stuff I can remove it. So it was really very dirty, so I could not wash this at house. So entire interior stuff I gave it for dry cleaning. So the shell, it's really good. You can find some scratches. This purposefully someone did in parking when I park my bike and when I lock my helmet in the bike itself. So windshield, front one, the glass, it is completely scratched. So whenever I'm driving in the night times, I open this and I drive. So for that reason itself I got a new helmet, and as well as I thought of keeping one spare helmet at house. Just look at this inside stuff. It's all become like very loose, the cloth is like, but still after wearing so many million times, the helmet is really good. So for that reason I bought LS2 again. And compared to MT and LS2, I had one issue with MT. So MT, if any interior part goes, so I have to send it to Mumbai. In case in LS2, if any interior part goes, I can just take to nearby JC Road, and if I give my helmet, they'll take 1 day to replace it, and they'll replace the entire company stuff and they'll get me back. MT, it takes like 1 or 2 weeks. Even this is matte, so slightly it has converted to glossy. Even this is matte, so once I start using this, even this becomes glossy. One point I found it, so which has been told by my friend, he is a good rider. So after using the helmet for a couple of years, the helmet goes weight because the dust will be completely accumulated in the shell part. So the new helmet won't be so weight, old helmet will be bit heavy. The interiors are quite changed in new helmet and old helmet. So in this, interior is like this, a soft part, it's like a very small piece, but in this it's a big piece. Just look at this. So this is covered, this is all like one piece. So this I can open it, this is like a 2-piece helmet. So here is a separate part. This comes like, I will open and I'll show you people. So this is like an entire stuff that I can remove in this. So this is a part. So even this can be removed, even this side can be removed. So this is fine. So how about new one? Let's check. So this can't be removed. Only this side and this side, and interior can be removed. That's it. So this can't be removed. This is a fixed one. This can't be. This is can't at all be removed. Yes, this can be removed, but with lot of energy. So interiors, everything is fine, but let's wait and see. And one more thing is the glass, the tinted glass, whatever you can see, which is also called as windshield in helmet. So this is gonna be costing somewhere around 650 rupees, LS2 original one. The head is completely packed with inside sponge. It's really very tight because it's a new helmet, so it is bit tight. So after using some couple of days, it goes again loose. The sponge and all gets completely loosed and it will get properly fixed. For right now, it's sitting perfectly. But after some days only, the problem which I am facing is it gets loosed. So again, I have to give it to service, change entire interior stuff and get it back. Even a phone can't go inside this. It is so tight because my head size is small. It's not even medium. So I bought it small itself. I hope it's looking good on my head. On a windshield, I had a cover, transparent car. I just removed the silicone car yesterday night itself. So that's not there. If you people would be having some doubt that what there is no car, whether he would have given an old helmet, no. He gave me a new helmet itself. I had the entire tags and all, so I just made a birthday cake cutting of tags, everything. So helmet, it's really good for as of now. But yes, LS2 I prefer. Whatever the spares goes inside, within a day the work will be done, but not in empty. But yes, next is my empty helmet. I didn't have a lot of difference when I purchased this helmet. This costed me somewhere around 5,700 rupees. So that was somewhere 5,900 rupees. So it's 200 rupees difference. But one problem in empty is after investing 5,900 rupees, I didn't have any graphics on the helmet. So I needed something funky, so I just bought LS2. And moreover, my previous helmet was LS2. I was really very comfortable with LS2, so I bought LS2. So this is head cap. So I got a complimentary with this helmet. And I don't know why did he give me a backpack complimentary. Anyhow, it's really very useful and water resistant. The material is good. Fine, orange color, no problem. When I'm going for a ride, of course, I need it at any cost. In fact, I wanted to purchase this. Again, it's like 200 rupees to 300 bucks. However, I got it complimentary, so it's useful itself. This part here, I have a fiber. This, there was no fiber, but yes, here you can see this airwick part, it has gone inside the steel metal one, and I hope in this it won't go after some days. Oh yes, there's no metal part in this. This itself is like a air part which enters the air for inside, and the rest of the upper design for again like air ventilation or whatever it is. So it is same in the old one as well as in new one. Front slight changes, and in this it's gonna be like this way. So leaving that, the body design or a shell design, whatever it is, it's all same. Today is gonna be the last lockdown day, so tomorrow 5 o'clock the lockdown is gonna be ended. I don't know today night what bakwas things again the government is gonna be getting up, because again the cases are like nothing changed. Okay, there is nothing changed in Bangalore. It's almost like 1,200, 1,300 cases in a day. So if they don't extend the lockdown, I don't know what happens. If they extend the lockdown, I definitely can say what will happen. People who has their own business, so of course all are facing financial crisis. Like day by day business are going down, there is no business, and like me though, spending on all these gadgets, helmets and all. So however, I'm getting my salary, no issues about it, and there is some hold and all in my salary as of now. One more thing is that I'm sleeping late night at 3 o'clock. Just look at these dark circles, and waking up at 11:30. So it's becoming a bit difficult. I'm sounding a bit dull and my face is a bit dull. All these things are happening in my life, not only in my life, with everyone's life. So I was just making fun of this. Yes, it's true, it's not a fun. Guys, I have got some hotel permission and all for Thursday this week. so I have to go and vlog. If there is no lockdown extending, then that would be really grateful that I can go and vlog outside and show what's happening outside. And one more thing is that I had given my watch for service, so that watch service could not be done, and they told you can put it for exchange. So that was really sounding good after using a watch for 5 to 6 years, and they told me like exchange. I was really happy. So they have given me some letter and all in the mail. So I have to take a printout and I have to go to nearby shop and I have to collect my new watch. So let's go and see with the next vlog upcoming. Anyhow guys, it's time to end my vlog. Be safe, drink a lot of hot water, and whenever you're going out, please do wear mask. People are still not serious, not wearing any mask. They keep roaming like that itself. Be safe, take care, bye.